I got lost in this mall, but this is what shocked me. The place, I didn't expect if I'll find such nice place in this mall. Yeah, let me go somewhere up there. Hey guys, this is Wegem from down in the little village somewhere in Tanzania, East Africa. I'm doing travel videos about culture and lifestyle of different people around the world. I started off my life down in the little village and now I became an international traveler. I got lost in this mall, but it's fine. And the funny thing is, I don't even know how to use this thing. Because, I mean, there is a screen here. It can guide you like to know in and out. Wow, look guys. It's very, very nice. Ooh. Guys, I got lost in this mall and finally I found one of the beautiful places. Go to the Instagram, you'll find me. Go in the Instagram, you'll find a lot of pictures out there. And they set this screen. I see someone is finding out where she is. You see? There is a screen there. That screen helps a lot. You see that lady, ne? And they set many screens. You see? They are true. So they set these screens here because they know a lot of people, they will get lost here. So sometimes these screens, they can help you to know your direction. Okay. Wow, I think I have to go up there, guys. I didn't go there. You see? Wow, it's very nice. And I don't know, this place is free to go and sit reading maybe newspaper and what. It's up to you. And ooh, the foodie court. So actually I got lost and I don't know actually my direction, and but I'll find out later on. I don't need to. I think I have to go somewhere up there, because let me find a lift which can guide me there. Let me find a lift. Also, it's a very nice place to take a picture. You see? It's a very nice place. I got lost in this mall, but this is what shocked me. The place, I didn't expect if I'll find such nice place in this mall. Yeah, let me go somewhere up there. And the good thing about, if you would like to enjoy more in this mall, find at least anyone who you can be helping each other to take pictures, you know. Myself, you see I have a lot of pictures, but most of the time I use a Google. I use a timer, you know. Or I just set it somewhere and then you that is your goal. We are going up there, the foodie court. Here we are. Oh. Oh. Wow. This place. Let me try to go there, help someone. I got lost. Oh. So up here, the place where you can order food. That's the place where you can have a food with your family. with your friends. You see, a lot. This place is surrounded by a lot of restaurants. Yeah. You see? So it's like that. This place is full of restaurants. Any kind of restaurant that you know is here. See? So I think I have to find a way down.
And then just escalated.
Food zone. Hey, guys, so the place is full of restaurants every corner. You see? I see down there is a place where you can refresh your mind. There is a gaming club. You guys, look. I got lost and find more enjoyable things, more enjoyable places than the time I was working like I know places. So sometimes it's better to get lost yourself. Go and get lost. You see a lot of people, they're trying to take some picture down there. See? Let's go down there. So at least even ourselves we can see a lot of things. Food zone. A lot of restaurants are here. Yeah. Anyway guys, I hope so you have enjoyed watching these videos. I got lost in the mall. Which kind mainland? Actually this is a very I applied this copyright, guys. Anyway, let me say thank you and subscribe to the channel if you're new one. Your boy, village boy, in this beautiful and biggest mall in South Africa. One of the biggest mall actually. It's not the biggest mall, no. Yeah, thank you. See you next time.